Question number 1. What is the expression related to? Have you attempted this?
Yes, sir.
What is the expression? What is the expression related to the pattern? Related to the pattern 5, 8, 11, and so on. Okay. And the options were 2n minus 1, 3n plus 2, 4n plus 1, n square minus 1. Isn't it? This you have done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me see. Okay, Naman is joining.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Your performance was not good in yesterday's quiz.
Yes, sir.
Why? This was the first question that you have not attempted, isn't it? What is the expression related to the pattern 5, 8, 11, and so on? And these were the options. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Out of these 4, what will be the suitable answer for this? Have you understood this now?
I don't know, sir. I don't understood this
Okay.
question only, sir.
Are you preparing a notebook separately for the questions that you are confused with?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now here, what is the expression related to the pattern? This means pattern means a definite rule is being followed by this pattern. What rule is being followed? Like 5, 8, 11. Then what will be the next one? After 5, 3 is added. Then 8 comes. Again 3 is
Yes,
added.
sir.
And again it will be 14. Isn't it? It will be 17. Okay. Now if we see the first term, like let us take n is equal to 1. Okay, means first term. Okay, if n is equal to 1, now this is 5. Okay, this is the first term. If n is equal, now if I am writing this one option, see 2n minus 1. Okay, now implies if we take n as 1, then what it comes out to be? It comes out to be 1, isn't it? If
Yes,
n
sir.
is taken as 2, then 2 into 2 minus 1, that is equal to 3. If n is taken as 3, 2 into 3 minus 1, that is 5. This is one of the terms that we have got already in the series. Now let us take n is equal to 4. Then 2n minus 1, that is 8 minus 1, that will be 7. Means this is following 1, 3, 5. After that 7 we are getting. So this can't be applied because after 5 we should get 8, isn't it? Not 7.
Yes, sir.
Means this option is wrong. This can't be applied. Okay. Now we will try second one, that is 3n plus 2. Okay. 1 second. If we are taking 3n plus 2, then what we are going to get? Let us see. Let us take n as 1 first of all. Okay. If n is 1, then 3n plus 2 will be how much? 3 into 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3 plus 2. That means equal
Yes,
to
sir.
5.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now when n is equal to 2, means this is the first term, this will be second term. 2 means second
Yes,
term
sir.
means after that. Okay. Now what it comes out to be? 3 into n plus 2, n is 2, plus
Yes,
2
sir.
we will write is equal to 3 to the 6 plus 2, which is equal to 8. In the
Yes,
same
sir.
way, if we are writing 3 in the place of n, then 3 3 is 9 plus 2 is 11, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
If you are taking 4, 4 3 are 12 plus 2 is 14. So this series is being, it is following a definite rule.
Yes, sir.
Means our option 3n plus 2 is right.
Yes, sir.
Now have you understood how to check?
Yes, sir.
Okay, because such questions will come in your exams also. Be prepared for that.
So, can you, sir, like first we should take 2 and minus 1, sir. Then
Any of the options can be checked. See, there are 4 options, out of which only one is the correct one, isn't it?
yes, sir.
That option can be any one. It may be first or second or third or fourth, isn't it? Now
Yes.
see, if the first term is 5, okay. Now what
Yes.
is the value of n that you can write here? You can take 3 here. 3 to the 6
Yes.
minus 1 can be 5, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So this is the first term. Now next term will be for n. N is what? N is the number of means this term, first term, second term, third term, like that. For first term, we will take n as 1, isn't it? Then 2, then 3, like that. If we are taking n as 1, we are getting 3.
Yes, sir.
Now we will check for, I don't require to write this much. You can just think it off in your mind only, okay?
Okay, sir.
This calculation is just to show you how to think of that. Now if I am writing in the place of n as 2, then it will be 4 to the 8 minus 1, that is 7.
Yes, sir.
If I'm writing 3, it is 6 minus 1, that is 5. So here 3 is all right. 3 is giving us 5. But after 3, we will write, when we are taking n as 4 for the next term, then we are getting 7, not 8. Isn't it? But the next term should be 8.
Yes, sir.
In the same way, if we are saying that 2n minus 1 is not fitting in this series, now we will try the next option, that is 3n plus 2. And we have to start from this 5. The first term is 5.
Yes.
So what value of n will be there to make it 5? 3n plus 2. We will take n as 1. It will come out to be 5, isn't it? 3n plus 1. If n is taken as 1, 3 ones are 3, plus 2 is 5, isn't it? Then when we are changing n from 1 to 2, we are getting 3 to the 6 plus 2, 8. In the same way, whenever we are changing n 1, 2, 3, we are getting the series, isn't it? This series is obtained.
Okay, sir.
Okay, understood how to do? Take a screenshot.
Take it, sir.
Okay, then you have not done the 5th question. 5th question. Nimisha, have you done?
Yes, sir.
Question number 5. What is the value of ax square plus bx plus c at x is equal to plus b by a? Okay, this was the question.
Yes, sir.
Now how to do it?
A bracket plus b by a square
Put b by a square
plus b bracket b by a square.
Why b
plus
by a
c.
square? Is there a square here now?
No, sir.
We
No,
are
sir.
just replacing the value of x, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Then c is there. We will write directly c only, isn't it?
Yes.
Equal to, then a into b square by a square, like this you can write,
Yes, sir.
plus b square by a you can write, and plus c you can write, isn't it? Is
Yes.
equal to, this a will cancel with this one, so we will get b square by a plus b square by a, means b square a by a is 2 times plus c.
They are right
So we
terms.
can
So they are right terms now. So then we can simply add them. 2b square plus by a plus c.
but you have got the answer as b square minus 4ac. How
Yes, sir.
was this so difficult question?
No, sir.
Then you have not done the 10th question also. Let us see what is the 10th question. I am clearing this. Do you want to have a screenshot of this page?
No, sir.
Okay. Now question number 10. Question number 10 was the side length of the top of square table. It is already.
Sir, this by mistake I did it wrong, sir.
If
But
you have done it by mistake also, then also the marks will be cut now.
yes, sir.
Because teacher is not going to give you marks for that. What mistakes
Yes,
you have
sir.
done by mistake, isn't it? So you have to
Yes,
be
sir.
careful in mathematics. Now
Yes, sir.
the side is x and here also x. So what will be the perimeter?
X into 4x, sir. 4 sides.
4x. You have just left over this question, isn't it? You have not attempted even.
Yes, sir.
Now let us take 13th question. Question number 13. Question number 13. If the value of the expression x square minus 5x plus k for x is equal to 0, for x is equal to 0 is 5. Okay. Then what will be
Yes.
the value of k?
For x equal to 0 is 5, sir.
For x is equal to 0, the value of this whole expression is 5, isn't it? Means
Yes,
first
sir.
we will take x as 0 in this whole expression. X
0
square
x
minus 5x plus k at x is equal to 0 is equal to 0 square minus 5 into 0 plus k, which is equal to just k only. So k will
Yes,
be
sir.
equal to what?
Nothing.
Nothing.
What
For
k
x
will
is
be
equal
equal
to 0 is 5. Oh, we have not taken 5.
0?
Huh? Is equal to 5 we have to write. Okay.
Okay,
Because
sir.
here we have written the expression, whole expression has been given and we got it as k, and this value is equal to how much? 5. It has been given already, isn't it?
Okay, sir.
So now if you are writing the value of k as 5 here and you are taking
Yes, sir.
x as 0, okay, then this whole
Okay.
expression will be equal to 5 only,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? Understood this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us move to next question. This was question number 13. 15th also you have not attempted. Question number 15. Question number 15 is simplify p plus in bracket p minus q bracket close plus q plus in bracket q minus p. Okay, you have to just first of all separate them and remove the brackets,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? So
Yes,
what we
sir.
will write? Tell me how to start.
P plus P minus Q plus Q plus Q minus P.
That's all. Now
Yes,
you
sir.
know that p and minus p is 0. They will cut out.
Yes, sir.
Then minus q and plus q will be 0. What is left?
Yes, sir.
P plus q.
Q.
That's all. It was one of the simplest question, isn't it?
Yes.
Then why you didn't try? Then question
Sir,
number
yesterday,
17. Huh?
yesterday when I was giving the quiz, sir,
Huh?
in meantime, sometimes the question will disappear, sir.
My God, how can it be?
I don't know, sir, because
Hundreds
my
of
network
students are there and
connection.
they are not facing such issue. How you are
Yes,
facing such issue?
sometimes it disappears.
Huh?
Sometimes it disappears.
Okay.
Like
Just,
sometimes the questions are not there and sometimes the figures are not there.
then what do you do for that? When the
Sir,
questions
we left that
disappear,
question.
huh?
Left that question.
You just leave that question.
Yes, sir.
No, you have to just inform me or message me, okay? And you can attempt it twice. There are 2 attempts allowed. Okay, if it happens occasionally, then you can try it second. You have attempted second time, Naman?
Yes, sir.
Okay, in the second time also same thing happened?
No, sir. In between, sometimes it was happening, sir.
Okay. So question number 15 is sure now? You can do it in the
Yes,
exams?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now we will move to question number 17, okay? Question number 17 is, what is the simplified form of the expression? Let me clear this page. Question number 17. Question number 17 is 12m square minus 9m plus 5m minus 4m square minus 7m plus 10. Okay, you have to simplify it. Can you?
Yes, sir. I can try, sir.
How? Tell me how to do it.
So we can do it 12 minus 9 we can do
12
2
minus
meters
9 we
square.
can't do because they are not like terms. That's why we
Yes, sir.
studied about like terms. What is the
First
use
we
of
should
that?
select the right term, sir. 12
First, we
meters
have to
square,
identify the like terms. Like there 12m square is there. Again, we will
then
search for
4m
m
square,
square.
sir.
Here it is m square. Now we
Yes,
will
sir.
write both of them first of all. 12m square minus 4m square. Now we will
Yes,
move to the second one. This is minus 9m. Now this is also like. Therefore, we will write plus 5m.
minus 9m
Then there is
plus
minus
5m.
7m. We will write minus 7m. Now only 10 is left. We will write in the last plus 10
Yes,
equal
sir.
to. Now we will
Equal.
like here we can write as 12 minus 4m square because m square is common for both of them. Then we can write minus,
8
or you can write it
minus
directly also. Minus
Yes, sir.
9 plus 5 is how much?
Minus 9 plus
Plus 5.
5. Minus 4.
Good. Minus 4m. Minus 7m. Let us copy that. Plus 10. Equal to 12 minus 4 is how much?
8 meter square minus
8
4.
meter square.
Sir,
This is
square
not
is
about
one.
meters. This is 8m square. M is just a variable. It has never told
Yes,
you
sir.
that m means meters. Okay.
Okay,
Minus
sir.
4 and minus 7 is how much?
Minus 4 plus minus 7. 11, sir.
Minus 11m plus 10.
Yes.
Okay. This is the simplified form. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Was it difficult?
No, sir.
Now
It
you can.
disappeared, sir. It was not showing a question.
Now let us move to the next question. Question number 18. Okay. Question number 18. Question number 18. What is the difference between? Okay. You have to find out the difference between 3a plus 2b and minus 2a minus 5b. This question also disappeared.
No, sir. I didn't see this question. I skipped it, sir.
You skipped it. Okay. Then Nimisha, you have done it.
3a plus
So it
2b.
was done wrong by me.
Okay. We have to just write 3a plus 2b minus 2a minus 5b. Is there any doubt in this?
No, sir.
If you are told to find the difference between 3 and 5, how much is the difference between 3 and 5?
So distance between 3 and 5, sir, 2.
2. And what is the difference between 5 and 3?
2, sir.
2. Okay. So you can understand how to write it, isn't it, after this question? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now we can write it as what? 3a plus 2b plus 2a plus 5b, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now 3a plus 2a is how much? 5a
Yes, sir.
plus 2b plus 5b is plus 7b.
Yes, sir.
That's
7b.
all. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now this was the 18th question. Now let us see the next one. 20th question, which you have not attempted. This is also to be simplified. Question number 20. Simplify a cube minus 2a square plus 4a minus 5, like this, minus a cube minus 8a plus 2a square plus 5. So this question disappeared or you have skipped?
Sir, it disappeared, sir.
Okay, now tell me how to do it here on the board.
Okay, sir. So first we should remove the bracket, sir.
How? Where to start from?
A cube minus
cube.
2a square
Okay.
plus 5. No,
Plus
sir.
5.
Plus 4a. No, sir.
Okay.
Plus 4a.
Huh?
Minus 5
Okay.
plus a cube
Okay.
minus plus a cube minus 8a plus 2a square plus 5.
Minus 8a plus 2a square plus 5.
Yes, sir. Sir, a cube after plus, sir. Plus it will be
Plus
after a
8a.
cube.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is your final answer.
Yes, sir. Then we can correct the right terms. A cube minus
Nimisha,
a
tell me.
cube.
So it will be a cube minus 2a square
Yes,
plus 4a
yes,
minus 5
okay,
plus a cube
yes,
plus 8a
okay,
minus 2a square
good,
minus 5.
minus 5. After this, Naman, tell me, after this what to do?
So we can correct the right term. Sir.
Okay, which are the like terms that you can
A
observe
cube,
here? A
a
cube.
cube and a cube.
What should I write here? A cube after that? A cube, like this.
No, sir. A cube minus a cube, sir.
Minus A cube. Okay. Then
Then after that, 2a square
2A square. Okay, you are wrong here. Nimisha, tell me.
So a cube plus a cube
Plus A cube. Good.
minus 2a square
Minus 2A square. You can just underline it also, okay? So that we can check that yes, it has already been used. Minus 2A square. After that,
minus 2a square
yes, this has also
plus
been used.
4a
Okay. Plus 4A
plus 8a
plus 8A means this has been used and this has been used. Okay.
minus 5
Minus 5.
minus 5.
Minus 5. Naman,
Yes, sir.
in each and every statement you are doing silly mistakes, even after knowing what to write there, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So, is there any excuse for that? Teacher is not giving you marks for that, okay? That this is done by mistake. So,
Okay, sir.
think carefully and then you can take 2 minutes more, but write it clearly, okay? If any of
Okay.
the sign changes, even a single sign, the answer will be wrong, okay? Like you have
Okay,
written
sir.
a cube minus a cube, this will be 0. But actual answer will be having 2a cube, isn't it?
Okay, sir.
Then after 2a cube, what are we going to get?
So minus minus plus.
Minus minus plus. Plus what?
Wait, sir. Minus 2a square plus 2a square minus. So is so what is written here, sir?
Which one? This one?
Two.
You are asking this one?
Yes, sir.
Minus
Yes, sir.
2a square minus 2a square is written.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
So then we can write 2a square minus
After
2a square.
2a cube, which I have written already, after that plus sign is to be there, minus sign
Yes,
is to be there, or there has to be no sign. Are you going to
So
use
I
a sign
don't.
here?
I am confused, sir.
Why? Minus 2 and minus 2 is how much?
Plus.
Minus 2 and minus 2 is plus.
No, sir. Minus 4.
No, sir, minus plus.
Wait.
Minus minus, plus plus.
Minus
Write
minus
anything.
plus will get 4.
If there is a multiplication sign here, then only minus minus is plus. If we
Yes,
are
sir.
doing like this, minus 2 and minus 2, then it will be minus 4, that's all. Or
Yes,
you
sir.
can try, if you are writing plus here, then plus 2 and plus 2 is 4. So opposite of that, that will be
Yes, sir.
minus 4. So minus 2 and minus 2 is minus 4. That's why what we will write here? We will write minus
Minus
4
4a
what?
square.
After that, minus 4?
Minus 4a square.
Minus 4a square. Minus 4a square I have written. After that,
So then 4a square plus 4a plus 8a. So then 8 plus 4 12a. 12a
12a.
square.
Good. Plus 12a. Then minus 5 will be how much?
So minus 5 and minus 5 will be minus 10, sir.
Yes, good. Minus 10. Okay. So this is the final answer that we wanted to have. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, can you tell me what is the common factor of this whole? Is there any common factor for whole statement? Nimisha?
Sir, how can we find a common factor, sir?
See, this 2a cube minus 4a square plus 12a minus 10 can also be written as 2 into in bracket a cube minus 2a square plus
Yes.
6a minus 5. Can we write like this?
Yes, sir.
So what is the common factor for all?
2, sir.
2, by which all the
Sir?
terms can be, tell me,
I don't understand how you write this.
how I wrote this.
Yes, sir.
If 2 is multiplied by this whole bracket terms, if we separate it, will it not be multiplied by each and every term? 2 into a cube
Yes.
will be 2a cube. We have seen here, these all are even terms, 2, 4, 12, 10, okay? If you
Yes.
want to have a factor of all this, will 2 will not be a common factor of all?
Yes, sir.
Because 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, and 2 5s are 10. That's
Yes.
why we have taken 2 outside as a common factor for all. So there may be a question which will ask you what is the common factor for the whole expression. Okay?
Okay, sir.
If there is written 2a cube plus 4a, what is the common factor for the whole expression? Can you tell?
2, sir.
Yes, sir.
2a cube plus 4a. Okay, what is the common factor?
2, sir.
2.
We can write it as 2a into a square plus 2. Can't we write like that?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So what is the common factor here?
2a, sir.
Okay.
2a, and you were telling me 2, isn't it? So that only you have to apply what to do. If there is written 2a square y plus 3ay plus 9y, or you can say, let me write let it be 21. Okay. Now tell me what will the common factor of this?
Sir, wait, sir.
Waiting.
Sir, 21a.
21a. This is your final answer?
No, sir, I'm confused between 21ay. 21ay. Sir.
Confused. Okay, Nimisha?
Sir, 3A
3a.
bracket
Bracket.
7AY
7ay
plus Y
plus y
plus 3Y.
plus 3y. Now, if I multiply this 3y with this 3a, what will be the answer? It will be 9ay. Is
Yes.
this 9ay?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Then means this answer is also wrong. If I am writing 3y here, and then I am writing 7 here, then a square, plus here I am writing a, plus here I am writing 3. Will this not be converted to the same statement that we are having here?
Yes, sir.
21a square y plus 3ay plus 9y. Is this the expression that we started from?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So was it so difficult?
No, sir.
Let us try 2, 3. 27a cube y square x plus 9yxa square. What is the common expression for this? Common factor. See, if you are confused and want to have a sure short answer, what to do? You write first of all the factors. 27a cube y square x can also be written as 27 into a into a into a into y into x. Like this we can write.
Yes, sir.
Or 27 can be written as 3 into
9
3
threes
into
are.
3. Can we write like this?
So 9 threes are we can also write.
But we want to write it in simplified form. Then only we can find out the common factors of both.
Yes, sir.
That's why I have separated a and y and x. A into a into a into y into y into x. Okay. Now we will separate this 9yx a square. Okay, 9yx a square is equal to, we can write it as 3 into 3. First of all, 9 can be written as
Yes, sir.
into y into x into a into a. Okay. Now
Yes.
what are the common elements in this and this expression? What are common between them? This 3
Sir,
is common. Let us
yes.
encircle them. This
And
3
sir,
is also
that
common.
also. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if
Then
a
one
is
by.
here, one a is here also.
Yes, sir.
Now one a is here, one a is here also. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now one x is here, one x is here also. One y
Yes.
is here, one y is here also. So how many common elements are there?
So
3
3
into 3 into y into x into a, isn't it? Which is equal to 9 y ones, x ones, and a square. Means this is the common factor. And now we can write in bracket as, if 3 is written here, a is written here, y is written here, plus, okay, 1 is written here. Okay, that's all. We
So
can
there is
write.
only one 3.
Huh?
There is only one 3.
Where is only 1 3?
Sir, in the first one, only one 3 is left.
Only 1 3 is left. Here 1 3 is left, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And this a is left, and this y is left, isn't it? So
Yes, sir.
that 3y is only written here, na? If we
Yes, sir.
separate this, are we going to get the expression that we started from? Let us separate it, okay? 1 second. Let us now write it outwards. If 9yx a square is multiplied by 3ay, what are we going to get? 9 3s are 27. Okay. Then a square into a is a cube. Then y into y is y square. We are just multiplying, okay?
Okay,
And
sir.
then one x is there. That's all.
Yes.
Plus, now what is left? 9yx a square into 1 will be same only. Now are we getting the same expression? See this expression. This is the expression that we started from.
Yes, sir.
So can you do by this method?
Yes, sir.
Because you have not answered any of the questions till now. Okay, this type of questions. Now I am asking one more question. Try that. 6a square y, say x cube, plus 2a yx square plus 12a square x. Now tell me what will the common factor of all? Any scope? Miss Nimisha, Mr. Naman, any scope?
Sir, doing.
Huh?
Doing.
Because there is time limit also in any test or exam, isn't it? If you are taking such a longer time, then better skip that question in the exam. Tell me on the board itself, Nimisha, how to start.
So first 6 into A
Hmm.
into Y into X into X into X. Then for the
If
second
6 can be written as 2 into 3, then why not you are writing here 2 into 3? Why 6? We can write here 2 into 3 also. Now we have to write it in simplified form,
yes,
isn't
sir.
it? Now we can write 2
into
into
1.
A into Y into X into X, and that can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into A into A into X, isn't it? This
Yes.
2 is common for all of them. So first answer is our 2, then after that into. Now 3 is not common, 2 is not common. This A is common for all. So we will write first A here. Now one more A if we are taking, that is not in this second one. So now we'll take Y. Y is there in each and every? No, in the last one there is no Y. Then again X we are seeing there is one X here, one X here, and one X here. So we will write here into X. Now is there any more X in this? No. So that's
No.
all. Now we can write 2AX into 3AYX square plus, now Y will be there and
Y.
X will be there, isn't it? Plus 6 and A.
6 A or
That's
X.
all.
X also.
X also. X is already here, na?
Yes, yes.
Then why to write X here also? Then it will be X square. Otherwise, you can do by another method also. I'm telling you, I am giving you 5 to 6 methods for each and every question. Then also you take such a longer time. That is not expected. First, let us see the terms that are constants like 6, 2, and 12. Okay. First, we will compare with the first element, that is here 6. This is 2. Numerical part. This is 12. Okay. Among 6, 2, and 12, which is the one by which all can be divided?
So 2.
2. So first answer is our 2. Okay. Now we will take A square here. Here A element is this one, and here A element is this one. Now which is the one which is smallest factor of all?
A.
Okay. Now we are writing A here. Okay. Now we will take the other element, that is Y here also, and here there is no Y. So it is not common in all.
Yes,
sir.
So we can't take Y because if it would have been in this element also, then only we can take Y. It should be common in all, na?
Yes, sir.
So Y can't be taken. Okay. Now what is left? X cube.
Four.
Here it is X square, and here it is X, which is the smallest one by which all can be divided. That's all. You've got your answer. 2AX. Isn't it? Now we can write here 3AYX square, because if this multiplied by this will give us this. Isn't it? You can cross check also. Is it right? Plus, now what is left here? Y is left and X is left. Then it 2AX square Y. Okay. Plus, now here we can write 6, 1A. That's all. 6A into 2AX will be 12A square X, that we are having already. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now can you try?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us see. 30x square y cube z plus 15xy square z plus 5z. Tell me.
Sir, done.
Naman? Mr. Naman, are you there? Hello. Hello, hello. Okay, Nimisha, what's your answer?
The 5Z.
5z. Okay, let us see what Naman has done. He may be rejoining because the meeting was left by him by mistake, I think.
Yes, sir.
How you have done, tell me, till then.
So first I have taken the numericals 30, 15 and 5. So from 5, 15 and 30 are divisible. So I have taken 5.
Okay, Naman has also joined. Let me check from him also. Naman, have you got the answer?
Yes,
How
yes,
much?
sir.
How much?
Sir, wait, can you wait a minute, sir?
A minute again?
Sir, wait just a minute, sir.
Okay, just. Okay.
Sir, I got the answer, sir.
What is your answer?
5Z bracket 6x square y square z plus 3.
Nimisha, tell me.
So 5Z. Bracket now 6 x square y cube and then plus
Naman, till then observe your mistake.
3
Plus
Okay.
3
y square 3xy square plus 0.
plus 0. Oh.
Yes, sir.
If 0 multiplied by 5z, what will be the answer that you will get? 5z into 0 is how much?
0.
Sir, 1 we should write there.
1.
Yes, here 1 should be there. Isn't it?
Yes.
Are we having 0 here? No. We are having 5z. So here there will be 1, okay? So you
Yes.
both have done wrong. Have
Yes,
you
sir.
done the exercises in the book that I told?
Yes, sir. I've done 8A.
Naman,
Sir, I have done
have you done?
6A, sir.
Huh?
6A I have done, sir.
6A. Till the question number 6 you have done.
No, sir. 6A, exercise 6A.
Sir, I have also
And
6A.
6A you have completed, Naman.
Yes, sir.
All the answers have been checked by the book.
Not all the answers, sir.
Huh?
Not all the answers because I had to do one more homework, sir, from the
But you
tuition.
have to tell me now that this question was wrong or I could not do that. Have you tried
Yes,
that?
sir. Yes,
You
sir.
have tried again and again and you have not got the answer of the question.
No, sir, not like that, sir.
You have not tried it again. If you are not getting the answer matching, then you should try it again, na? In the maths subject, you have to practice again and again.
Yes, sir.
You have to find out your mistakes. Then only you will know that yes, I do mistakes here itself. So I should not repeat it, isn't it?
Yes. Sir,
Huh?
sir, in this question, by mistake, I thought z square was there, sir. That's
Z or
my
Z square?
mistake. I thought z square was there, sir.
Z is what? Z channel, Z news channel.
No, sir, z square, sir.
Z only. That I'm saying Z square, na? Where and
Yes,
why you thought so? I could not understand. Which Z you thought to be Z square?
sir, 30x square y.
30x
Not
square
Z
y
square,
cube Z.
Cube, sir. Cube, sir, I thought.
Which
Then
one?
after that, yes, sir, I thought it cube, so I got it like that only, sir. X square y, x square y z cube.
Why Z cube you thought? How?
Yes, sir.
This
I
is
don't
totally
know, sir.
unimaginable. How can you think of Z cube? So you have to be careful in the exam, isn't it? There also there will be such questions. And if you are taking at Z cube, you are thinking question only differently, then your answer will be different only, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
In maths, you have to be very, very careful. Otherwise, you will not get any of the answers. That's why you are matching the your book and your answers are not getting matched, isn't it? Because you are doing silly mistakes. That I'm sure. So do one thing. Whatever questions you are solving, take a picture of that, okay, and WhatsApp me.
Okay, sir.
Then only I can see that how you are doing it and why you are not getting the answers. Okay, Nimisha, you also.
Okay, sir.
If you are doing it correctly, also you have to share all the questions to me with solutions. Okay.
Okay.
So today, will you be sharing for exercise 6A all the questions and answers?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Nimisha, you
Yes.
too. Okay, there are total 6 questions. Okay, all 6 questions are to be answered by you and shared on WhatsApp. And please share clear pic of all the solutions. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Okay, we will end up.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Welcome.